These small challenges are making my life phenomenal, but I don't want you to not do this because you will miss out. Anyone can do these challenges, but you can also do them throughout the day. But if you're a cool, awesome person, which I think you are, you can do a lot of these things. So I'm going to talk about challenges that I make up for myself to give you more ideas on what to do. And then over time, think of some challenges that you like doing that fit the criterias for the challenges that I do. So the criteria for these challenges are you have to put effort into it. You can't do it while you're laying down on the couch. It also has to be challenging because it's a challenge, whether that's you going out your comfort a little bit, doing something you've never really done before. I'm not saying it's going to be a walk in a park, but if you do it, you will feel amazing. So the way I like to do it is sort out my challenges chronologically. So in the morning, my mini challenges are to wake up at 5 a.m., do something at that time, whether it's bike, go to the beach like I did a few days ago when I was on vacation, be outside, work on something, learn something at that time. It's a great challenge for me because I have to sacrifice my hours in the night and spend those hours in the morning. So for my future, but not only wake up at 5 a.m., but actually do something. I personally enjoy this so much because it's so cool seeing the whole world shine up. Also because no one else is really wanting to do that. I was able to go to the beach with almost no one there. The amount of times I've been driving around in the morning because no cars are there, so it's free for me to practice. It's such a great advantage that not a lot of people take advantage of. And if you're willing to try that challenge for a day or two, wake up at 4:30 like I did to go to the beach, you're gonna have a ton of new experiences and advantage points that not a lot of people have. They're not willing to put in the effort to do that and get out that comfort. I've been doing some more personal challenges for strength by trying to learn how to do a muscle up, trying to do a handstand, doing some push-ups. I've been so close to the muscle up, but I don't have a spot near me that's good for a pull-up bar. I did it on the top of these swings today. It was super hard to jump onto it and climb on the swings. My friend who's with me at the time is just looking at my arms. Not because of how strong and buff they are, but because there's a whole bunch of, you can't really see it anymore because I washed it off, but there was a ton of black oil on my hands and arm. My whole entire arm, I had to wash it all off because of that one little challenge I wanted to do. All of that effort I put into trying to do that muscle up, and I still haven't gotten it yet. That just shows it's not gonna take a day to do. It's these daily, weekly, even monthly challenges which will keep you motivated and not bored, so you have things to do, you have goals. I am making progress on the handstand. I did it in the wall of my house. I almost died, but I'm able to do a frog stand. I'm able to be a frog.
Look at that. Look at that.
But anyways, those are just some cool challenges that I always wanted to do. I always wanted to do a muscle up or a backflip, but for some reason I never started it. I don't know why. I always wanted to try doing 100 push-ups a day, trying to do a better plank, do a muscle up, but I never took action on it. And I don't know why. For so long I just put it off to the side. I didn't care about it. I thought it was a small thing that I didn't really need, but it's those small things exactly which you need to do, because the action of doing that small thing is gonna get you used to taking action. So it's gonna let you do those big things. Imagine if I actually did those 100 push-ups a day 2 years ago. It would have made my life a whole lot easier. I would have done a ton of muscle ups. My life would be completely different. But I'm glad I'm taking action on doing something every single day. Whether that's learning how to do the handstand every single day, but also talking to you right now. I try to do some work for this channel that you're watching right now every single day. Whether it's filming, getting ideas, getting clips of me doing stuff. It also helped me earn money, get a lot more confident, and made my life a lot better. It's such a great challenge to put myself out there, to talk to you right now. And with these challenges come amazing rewards, whether it's doing a muscle up or actually earning a decent amount of money online. If you want to grow on YouTube, I can help you get to 10,000 subscribers and above exactly how I did, without any of the annoying pain or uncertainty on what to do. If that sounds sick, click that Calendly link in the description, book a quick call with me so I can help you personally to get to 10,000 subs and above. But I hope already you have a good amount of ideas on what you can do for challenges. I would think of some topics that you want to get in on, whether it's YouTube, strength, working out, waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and write down some challenges that you can do for that, whether it's cold shower, riding a bike. Come up with a ton of these ideas. Something that helps me get a ton of these challenges done is planning out these experiences every single day in my notebook. So whenever I'm bored, I feel like watching YouTube or just sitting on my couch, I can pull out that notebook and instantly see 5 things I can do. And then I do one of those things. Then I feel good about that, I do another thing. That's what I love so much about the small actions too, is because you write down small things you want to do. So then it's so easy to start doing it. If one thing was stepping outside, imagine how easy that would be. You can do that any time of the day, any feeling you have, you can do it. You can step outside for 1 second, right? Then imagine how great you're gonna feel after you do that, so it'll motivate you to do the other cool things. That's why I love it so much. That's why it's got me to where I'm at right now. Do something that's cool every single day, but not what I think is cool, not what that person thinks is cool, but what you think is cool. Come up with 25 ideas of that. Big or small, challenging or kind of easy, so you know exactly what you can do if you're bored, if you're lazy, if you're ambitious, if you're motivated. If you do these challenges, it'll align to the goals and dreams you want to get in your life. If someone was a music artist, they would have challenges of playing the guitar for 10 minutes a day, playing on the guitar in the city, in nature, making a YouTube channel about him playing the guitar. He would try to go to a concert and perform live with his guitar. You see how many things he could do? He'll do finger exercises to pluck the guitar better. If you really want to get those goals, these small challenges will help a ton, whether you're a guitar player or similar to me. However crazy or shocking those things that you want to do are, write them down. Don't forget about them. Pull them up, so these challenges will help you a ton. I really hope you enjoy this video and can really think about something that I said. If you like the vibe of this video, consider subscribing. It'll mean a lot to me. It's free. You can always change your mind. Check out that like-minded club in the description. It's a free community where thousands of people are, and we all talk and have a great time in there. I also have a school community you can check in the description if you're interested in that. Think about this video. Have that a cool challenge. Get started on one of those challenges that you came up with. Write them down. If you got this far in the video, comment, I will do this challenge of whatever challenge you want to do. Not only so it'll hold you accountable, but also so other people who need something to do but don't know what to do, they can get ideas from what's in the comments. So comment something right now. I'll reply to it. I'll heart it. Last challenge I want to give you is to have a great rest of your day. Be positive. Think of the future. Plan some things out. And you're gonna crush it. You're in the right path, the right direction. So, yeah, goodbye. I'll see you. Peace.